Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upscale your image using Pippit AI for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to go to the Pippit AI website. If you want to visit the website, you can click the join link on my YouTube description. And you're going to sign into this website with your Google account and you will earn credits for free. Then you can use the credits to upscale your image. Okay, you're going to go to the image studio menu and select this feature guys, upscale image, and you can drag and drop your photo here or select from assets, products, or device. And I'm just going to use photo from my asset. I'm going to use this one and we can click on continue and wait. Alright, done guys. The image has been upscaled and this is the result. Wow, it's clearer. And I'm going to download it. We can click on the download menu and select the format. You can choose either JPG or PNG and you can select without Pippit watermark and click on download. Okay guys, and that's how we can upscale our image using Pippit AI for free. Don't miss out, you can try it yourself. Don't forget to click the join link on my YouTube description and try amazing experience with Pippit AI. Thank you so much for watching and bye!